Stop making excuses for yourself and take action. In a motivational video that I listened to this morning, I couldn't agree more with the line that I heard. And it was, excuses may make you feel better, but they're not doing anything to better you either. That is so true. Within our community, we have people of all kinds. We have people who are disabled. We have moms that are working multiple jobs. We have dads that are working multiple jobs. We had people that lived in their car for 3 months. We had people that could barely put food on the table for their family, but they still found a way to make enough to start online digital marketing to change their life. And thousands of those are now making daily income right off their phone. We now have 11 six-figure earners within our community, and they were from all different kinds of people, not just someone who started off wealthy and now started online digital marketing, not someone who had all this extreme amount of money and then started online digital marketing, not because someone had experience in digital marketing and now is doing it. No, these are people that started digital marketing as a complete beginner, no matter what their limitations were, and they decided to change their life. They did not use their life as an excuse to not get started and not make a change. They knew that they were going to do whatever it took to make their life a better life for themselves and for their family. And now they're making daily income. I am telling you, you need to stop making excuses. You need to take action, and I would love to help you learn how to make money off of your phone. It doesn't matter your past. It doesn't matter your experience. This program is designed to be completely beginner friendly so that anybody can do it. Anybody can change their life, and anybody can learn how to work off their phone 2 hours a day and bring in that daily income so that they can take control of their life and live the life that they want to live. So if you want to learn how to do online digital marketing right off your phone to where you can take control of your life, comment info down below. I'd love to give you more information.